Good morning, all of you. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today, we are going to start a new chapter of social studies. So, before going to start our chapter, I will introduce myself Farha Yasmin. I will teach you social studies of class 3rd. So, today, we are going to start a new chapter number 13, local government agencies. So first, I will explain you what is local government agencies. Local government agencies is the administration. Administration means managing facilities of a locality, a village, a town, a city, or any other area smaller than the state. Okay, so local government agencies is the administration of a locality or managing facility of a locality, a village, a town, a city, or any other area smaller than the state. Let's see what we will learn in this chapter. Yes, looking ahead. The meaning of civic amenities and the role of local agencies. Gram panchayats and the way they help to govern our villages. Municipal council and corporations and how they help to govern our towns and cities. Okay, so yes, these points we will learn in this chapter. So now let's see the next slide. Yes, India. India is our country. India is a vast country with many villages, towns and cities. Yes, India is having many villages, towns and cities. So, a large number of people live in each of these places. Here, these places means our villages, towns and cities. Here, people need drinking water, electricity, roads, schools, hospitals and cleanliness also. Yes, these facilities are called civic amenities. These facilities are called civic amenities. Understood? Yes. Who provides these facilities to our villages, towns or city? Let's see in the next slide. Local government agencies. Local government agencies provide these facilities to villages, towns and city. Two local government agencies are there. Yes, first one is Gram Panchayat and second one is Municipal Council and Municipal Corporation. Gram Panchayat gives facility in villages. Municipal Council and Municipal Corporation gives facilities in towns and cities. Okay. Gram Panchayat and Municipal Council and Municipal Corporation are two local government agencies, and Gram Panchayat give civic amenities to the villages. A Municipal Council and Municipal Corporation gives these facilities or civic amenities to the towns and cities. So now let's see first Gram Panchayat. Yes, Gram Panchayat. In India, most of the people live in villages. Yes, as we all know, in India, most of the peoples live in villages. The people of the village who are 18 years and above and who have right to vote make up the Gram Sabha. Those people who are 18 years and above, they are having right to vote and make up Gram Sabha in the villages. Okay, and almost every village in our country has a Gram Panchayat. Almost in India, every villages we are having Gram Panchayat. Yes, one of the member of the Gram Panchayat is elected to work as its head. The person is called the Pradhan or Sarpanch. Yes, one of the member of the Gram Panchayat, okay, is elected to work, okay, to work and to help people. So that person is known as the Pradhan or Sarpanch of that village. Understood? Yes. Panchayat must have at least one woman among its elected member. Panchayat must have at least one woman among its elected member. At least one woman should be there in the panchayat. Okay. The member of the Gram Panchayat meet regularly. Yes, the member of the Gram Panchayat meet regularly. They sit together to look into the needs and problems of the villager. They are sitting together to look after the needs of the people and the problems of the villages. Okay, now let's see the next slide. Yes, the main functions of the Gram Panchayat are as follows. As you can see here, the main functions of the Gram Panchayat are as follows. So first one, to provide safe drinking water to villages. Yes, this is the first function of the Gram Panchayat, to provide safe drinking water to the villages. Then second, to keep the village clean, to build and maintain village road and street lights. Okay, to keep village clean and to build and maintain the village's road and street lights also. Okay, to look after the education of the children and adults of the village. Okay, they have to look after the education, okay, of the children as well as for the adult also. Let's see the next function. To keep the village clean. Yes, their next function is to keep the village clean. To set up and run health centers in village to look after the sick. Yes, they have to set up health centers in the villages to look after the sick people. To improve the condition of agriculture and small scale industry in the village. They have to improve the condition of unemployment also. Okay, to help settle minor disputes between villages. Minor disputes they have to settle in the villages only. So these are the functions of Gram Panchayat. So these are the functions of Gram Panchayat. For giving these facilities to the people, Gram Panchayat needs money. So the Gram Panchayat gets money from the government. Yes, the Gram Panchayat gets money from the government, and most of our villages now, you can also see now, most of our villages now have schools, health centers, road and electricity. Okay, so these are the functions of the Gram Panchayat. Now we will see Municipal Council. Yes, Municipal Council. The member of the Municipal Council in a town are also elected by the people of that area. Yes, the people of that area only, they are elected member of Municipal Council, and these members are called Municipal Councillors, and these members are called Municipal Councillors. And the Municipal Council elect a head. The Municipal Council is also electing a head like Gram Panchayat. So Gram Panchayat, the head of the Gram Panchayat is Sarpanch or Pradhan. But here you can see the Municipal Council elects a head called Chairman or Chairperson. Here in the Municipal Council, the head known as or called as Chairman or a Chairperson. Okay. In big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and some others, the Municipal Council is known as Municipal Corporation. Okay, in big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, the Municipal Council is known as Municipal Corporation. Okay, in villages it is known as Gram Panchayat, and towns it is known as Municipal Council, and in big cities it known as Municipal Corporation. Got it? Now We will see the next slide. Yes, the head of the municipal corporation in cities. Yes, the head of the municipal corporation in cities is called mayor. Okay, the head of the municipal corporation is called mayor. For Gram Panchayat, the head of the Gram Panchayat is called Pradhan or Sarpanch. The head of the municipal council is known as chairman or chairperson, or the head of the municipal corporation is called mayor. Got it? Now we will see the functions of municipal council. So the main functions of the municipal council are as follows. First, to keep the town and city clean by organizing collection and disposal of waste and setting up public toilet. Yes, to keep the town or city clean by organizing collection means waste and disposal of waste and setting up public toilet. So we have to go in toilet only, don't go outside. Yes, understood? Yes, we have to encourage the people. Now see the next functions. Yes, to arrange for the supply of drinking water. Yes, to arrange for the supply of safe drinking water. To arrange for the supply of safe drinking water. To open and run primary health centers and hospitals. Yes, to open and run primary health centers and hospitals for the sick people. To provide free and compulsory education for children up to 14 years of age. Up to the 14 years of age, they are providing free education and compulsory education to the children. Now see the next slide. Yes, to construct and maintain roads and parks. To organize literacy program for adults. Yes, for the adult also they are organizing a literacy program. To maintain street lights and roads. To maintain street lights and road. Yes. Now to carry out the above function, the committee will need a large amount of money. Yes, for these function the committee will need a large amount of money, and Gram Panchayat also need money. So Gram Panchayat gets money from the government. So here we will see from where the money comes. Where does this money come from? Yes, come from taxes. People pay for the use of road, houses, land, electricity and road. People pay for the use of road, houses, land, electricity and water. We are also paying, so that what we are paying for the use of these facilities are called taxes. We also pay tax on the goods we buy from the market. We are purchasing goods from the market. You are also purchasing a packet of biscuit or a chips, so you are also paying tax. Okay, so tax is also charged on the money people earn. Then the state government also gives money to the municipal council. So the state government also gives money to the municipal council. Got it, children? Now see the next slide. At last, what you have understood by this chapter and what we will do. Yes, we must be good citizen. Help to keep a village, town or city clean. Yes, we have to help, and we must pay our taxes regularly too. If you will pay tax, you will get civic amenities from the government. Got it? Yes. Next, see the next slide. Review time. Yes, this is the review time. What we have learned in this chapter. Let's revise. The people in the villages, towns and cities need civic amenities. The Gram Panchayat provides civic amenities in villages. The municipal council and corporation provide civic amenities in town and cities. Yes, we have learned these points in this chapter. Now homework time. Yes, very easy. When you will read the chapter, you will get these answers. Yes, first one, define amenities, citizen, govern. Okay, read the chapter and write the answers. Who is the youngest woman Sarpanch of Soda village in Rajasthan? Who is? First, read the chapter and write the answer of the question. Why Government of India gives Nirmal Gram Puraskar to Panchayats? Why this Puraskar given to Panchayats? Read the chapter and write answer these questions. Okay, so now the time to conclude our chapter. We will meet in next class. Thank you and stay safe. Bye bye.